What we're doing a description of is a Bobcat S185. It's a wonderful all-around machine. It's one of the best sizes of Bobcat ever made. We're going to take you all the way around. It's got a nice set of rubber on it. One thing you'll see from the pictures, should be written in the description, that's a removable tooth bucket blade. This blade, we don't have it bolted on right now. Actually, you can just wedge it on and it'll stay on good enough. It makes the machine dig incredibly better. 2 bolts, or just beat it off with a hammer. Here's the bolt hole. Take it off with a hammer. You got one heck of a digging machine. Turn around. You got a full cab snow machine. Real good tires. She's only got about 3,000 hours on it. We're going to show you she does everything she's supposed to do here.